Good morning, friends. This is Miss Sunderland, and we are going to do our calendar. So, we are in the month of April. We are going to sing our months of the year together. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December, 12 months in a year. All right, so we know it's April. Now we have to figure out what day of the week it is. So if yesterday was Sunday, today it must be... If you said Monday, you're right. Stand up. We're going to sing our Days of the Week song. There's Sunday and there's Monday, Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, jump, jump. Days of the week, jump, jump. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, jump, jump. All right, sit on down. So we know that it is April and it's Monday. If yesterday was the 5th, today it is the 6th. So we say it is Monday, April 6th, 2020. We're now going to go to our weather. Now, Miss Sunderland's not going to do a weather graph. Miss Sunderland would like you and your families to do their own weather graph. We are going to sing our weather song together. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather, everyone? Is it cloudy? Is it windy? Is there rain or is there sun? Go tell your mom or your dad or your sister or your brother or your grandma or your grandpa what the weather is today. And then maybe after this video, you guys can make your own weather graph. We're going to move on to our tally marks. So Miss Sunderland's going to add another tally mark here. And this represents 5. So we are going to count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 110, 105, 110, 115, 120, 125, 130, 135, stop! 136. We have been in school for 136 days. Miss Sunderland's still learning how to write on a computer. Now we're going to go to our place value. 136. 136 has 100, 3 tens, and 6 ones. Right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to add 1 more to make it 6 ones. So my addition problem is 100 plus 10, 20, 30 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To make 136. All right, last but not least, we're going to go to our reading. Miss Sunderland, there we go. Once the U as our vowel today. So, in your head, sound out this word. We'll do it together now. Suck, suck. next one. Sound this word out in your head. We'll do it together. Guff. Guff. We're going to do 2 more. Sound this out in your head. Co. And last one. Sound it out in your head. Tuck. All right, my friends. Thank you for joining in on our calendar today. Have a good day. I'll see you later.